Sometimes Krishna withholds his beauty and sweetness, because to reveal his beauty and sweetness means that he accepts someone very close to him. So one may chant the holy name for a long time and not experience the beauty and sweetness, because Krishna wants to keep that person a little distant for whatever reason, his own reasons. He's Swatantra, he's independent. But when Krishna allows us to experience the beauty and sweetness in his holy name, then we'll have an idea that I don't need to ask this question, that I'm loving, I'm just chanting, it's so wonderful. I'm chanting, it's very wonderful, but I can't wait to be in Vishaka's Sankirtan party. And Vishaka plays mridanga. She's a fierce mridanga player. So Vishaka's playing mridanga and I'm playing gong, dong, dong, dong. And it's going on. Kirtan's going on. So I'm only looking forward to more chanting, not less chanting upon liberation or less chanting upon prema. I'm looking forward to the big time Sankirtan. like someone's a small time chanter and they say, they've asked me to chant in the Kirtan Mela. Wow, you want to chant in the Kirtan Mela? Yeah, I'm featured on Tuesday night, 9 to 10. Shh, you're big, Yeah, I'm big, So we have different ideas of grandeur in our limited material calculation or spiritual. But there we want to go and serve Radha and Krishna by chanting. Sometimes we chant the Maha Mantra when Radharani is separated from Krishna, and sometimes we chant the Maha Mantra when Radharani is directly with Krishna in Sambhog. It is applicable in either case. It is very pleasing. Radharani loves Nam Sankirtan. Even Krishna does Nam Sankirtan. He chants Radharani's name to attain her favor. There's so many pastimes like that. There's one beautiful pastime where Krishna came to Radhakund in Madhyan Lila to meet the gopis, to meet Radharani principally. And he came and then he was sitting there at Manasa Pavan Ghat, remembering Radharani and her sweetness and her beauty. And he was remembering one time, he came a little late and Radharani was bathing in Manasa Pavan Ghat. And Krishna was hiding in the kunjas, watching Radharani. And she was bathing and she came out and got dressed and Krishna was watching. And Radharani felt, I feel like someone's watching me. Just like if you handsome man or a pretty lady or whatever, and you go to some public place on a bus, on a train, you're eating and you feel like someone's staring at me. You turn around and you only turn around exactly in to the direction that the person who's staring at you is. There's some kind of radar. There's a built-in radar between the victim and the tiger or whatever. So there's a big room behind you, but you don't turn over your left shoulder because the guy is not over there, he's over there. So you turn like that, and you look, and the guy goes, "Oh, that's a beautiful construction of that light. That light fixture is really nice, Immediately the eyes go up to the ceiling or look out the window. Oh, look at those birds. Those are cutest little sparrows I ever saw. and the guy's staring, looking at your backside or whatever, or just at you because you're Videshi or whatever, Back to Krishna. So Krishna is staring and looking at Radharani. So she said that Lalita, when Lalita was painting her body, she says, "Lalita, are you sure Krishna hasn't come yet? I just feel like, no, don't worry, he's not even, no, Brinda didn't tell us anything, none of the parrots have come back, he's not come yet." Sure, I don't know, And Krishna is listening and watching. So now he comes, and he's waiting there at Manasa Pavan Ghat, and Radharani hasn't come, and then Tulsi Manjari comes, and Rupa Manjari, and some Sakhis. So he said, "Where's Radharani?" "Oh, Radharani couldn't come today. We just came to tell you." "Oh, no, how can I get Radharani to come?" He said, "Oh, the best way to attract Krishna or Krishna's energy is to call you have to call out her name. You have to chant." So Krishna said, "What should I chant?" I said, "Just chant her name. There's nothing more sweet than Radharani's name." So Krishna started chanting, "Radhe, Radhe, oh Radhe, Radhe, oh Priyaji, oh Priyaji, oh Praneshwari, Radhe, 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 Radhe," like this, chanting. So he's a little impatient, and he wants results from his chanting very fast. Sound familiar? So we chant and we chant. We want results. Where's the results? I don't see Krishna. I'm not seeing Krishna. He's not giving me darshan. So Krishna, he chants, and probably, I don't think he even chanted one round. He chanted half a round, and then he opened his eyes, and then he looked, and then some Sakhis came by, and he said, Radharani came? He said, no. He said, why? I was chanting. Krishna, you've been only chanting 2 minutes, So then you have to chant more. So he says, Radhe, 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 O Praneshri, O Radharani, O Radharani, O Priyaji, O Radharani. And then he's chanting. And then the gopis come, and he opens his eyes. He said, Radharani came. He said, no. He said, why she didn't come? He said, you're chanting. You can chant for so long, but if you make aparads, you're making Radharani nam aparad, then how you can get anywhere? So I heard from Bhagavati Rishi that sometimes this nam japa is not so successful, but you should do kirtan. So you should clap your hands. If you clap your hands, then you'll do the nam sankirtan, and that way you'll get free from your aparads. And then that pure name that you're chanting will attract Radharani, Prem Karshan. So Krishna, Radhe Radhe, 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 Radhe Radhe. And then he opened his eyes. So Lalita, how was that? Yeah, that's very good. I said, actually, while you were chanting, and you forgot, you were chanting so long. Now Radharani's come. I'll take you to her. She's in the Kunj. So even Krishna in the spiritual world, Paravyam, Gokul Vrindavan, he's chanting the holy name. There's so much relish is there. So we just keep chanting, and relish comes. In this life, 42 years we're chanting, and in the last few years, some nice taste is there. But I don't know. It can be have a high birth in a Bharat Varsh, in good family. So I don't know. You know your own experiences. That's not my business. But for sure, the taste comes. I can say that.